What's good, y'all? She girl Isha back at you with another little what, 200. And today I got some Jaggers. Come on, thumbnail. You know I had to get a shake. I had to get a shake. You didn't know I had to get a shake, but bitch, I had to get a shake. You know what I'm saying? So it's a Oreo cookies and cream. I got a little Jaggers. I ain't never ate this. I got a little shoestring. It's real cute, you know. It's real cute. I like a shoestring. Top 3 favorite fries. Shoestring. Oh, my bad, y'all. Hang on. It got some type of Cajun. I don't know if it's Larry's on there. And some type of paprika. It's good. Now, the guy that was taking the order, because he's outside under the thing, like Chick-fil-A. You know how they take your orders. He asked me, did I want a whole thing of fries? Did I want a large? I'm like, nigga, what the fuck I need a large for? You know what I'm saying? Because he kept on saying they come in a tray or a carton. Well, bitch, I ain't order no milk. You keep talking about a carton of fries. Nigga, what the fuck is a carton? I guess this is a carton. I can eat a carton of fries. These are good. I like how they wrap the burger. I like how they wrap the burger. This is supposed to be a bacon burger. And it just got the same way it come. I didn't know it was gonna be a double. Well, I did know it was gonna be a double. I don't know if I knew it was gonna be a double either. It might have been on the picture. I don't know. It's not giving smash burger. It's giving pre-made patty. Onion, lettuce, Jagger sauce, tomato, cheese, bacon. So let's get into it. Thank you for it. Oh. I about built the pipe off. I mean, good iceberg. Let me try it again. Oh. Jagger sauce or some more. I don't know what the Jagger sauce is. Some type of concoction. It's spicy. It's giving house ketchup. Oh, it's spicy. I'm not mad. Oh, shit. Oh, wait. I got some kick to it now. But it's giving ketchup. It tastes like ketchup. Like mayo ketchup. All that type of shit mixed together. It's definitely ketchup. It's gotta be ketchup. With a little mayo, mustard, herbs and spices and shit like that. But it ain't bad. Now, I don't think I bit into that bacon at all on here, y'all. Look. Child. It's cute. Now, they'll be killing the game if this was a smash burger. And not a, you know, a patty. Mm-hmm. 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 I'm thinking, well, that was on the fries. The same seasoning blend is on the inside of there. It's cute. Child, they gave me so much sauce. Lord. Come on now. Shit. McDonald's would never. Oh, this is good, y'all. Hold on, wait a minute. I said I wasn't gonna eat a burger. I just ate a burger. Lord, I just ate a burger. Mmm. That's cute. That's cute. I can give it because of the fries. Bitch, get a 4 because of the fries. Now I got a little tender. Oh, girl, come on. They cute. They stinking. They stinking. Okay, bitch. Now I got a sweet heat. I guess that's sweet heat. I don't know. That look like Italian vinaigrette. Ooh. Oh, yeah. I think this is sweet heat. Sweet heat. Yeah. Honey mustard. Ooh. Honey mustard tastes like something. I don't know. Hold on, y'all. Oh, it got like a little. There's something else in here that's going on. I don't know. I don't know. But I know that taste is familiar. I don't know what it is. And let's get back into this. on. There's so many flavors going on. There's so much going on. Let me get a little taste of this water. And child, the white people was eating this stuff up. Because they is pulling in. My bad. They is pulling in. Okay. Let's taste it with no sauce. She's seasoned now. She's seasoned. She is seasoned. Do you see her? Let me see. Little peppers on there, you know. That's cute. The chicken is cute. I'm not mad at that. The fries is cute. I'm gonna give the chicken a 5. 4.5 because it wasn't crispy crunchy. You know. I didn't have, like, the fries is crunchier than the chicken. But I'll let y'all fly. You know, I'll let y'all pass. Because I know how it be trying to cook chicken per order type shit. I got this big ass straw. I'm not mad at that. You can fuck somebody up with a spitball. So let's get into excuse me, cookies and cream. It's real cute. Oh, my bad, y'all. It's real cute. I wonder if they charge me extra for whipped cream. Honey mustard, Jaggers sauce, sweet. That nigga gave me 2 sauces per order. I mean, per chicken tender type shit. Six sauces, 2. 2, 4, 6. Nah, lag, y'all. What? Give me a sweet. 1 sauce per chicken tender. Where I get 2 from? 1 sauce per chicken tender. I got 1 sweet heat for a chicken tender, another sweet heat for a chicken tender. Jaggers sauce. 2 chicken tenders. 2 honey mustard. 2 chicken tenders. And child, it's the weekend, honey. And I ain't talking about shit. I gotta go to the grocery store. And I'm actually dreading it because I don't feel like doing that. Going to the grocery store is like working a fucking shift. Going to the grocery store is too much like a job. God dog. I don't know if I would want this big ass straw. It's taking long. It's too much straw. It's cold. Let me dip it fry here. Let me see. Cause Cobras wasn't talking about nothing. Let me see. Girl, it's just obesity. It's all too thick. I don't like it. Anyway, y'all, I ain't doing that. I ain't hungry. I figured if I was gonna eat something new, I had to get the mukbang in. You know what I'm saying? Nice Jaggers. Cute little burger. Tenders is cute. The fries is cute. I give them a 4.5. 4.5. If some patties was real, if it was a smash burger, Jaggers would be here. Let me taste the burger. But it tastes like it could be real meat though. You know how you get them patties and they already kind of processed? It just tastes like it might be legit. I don't know how to explain it. You know what I'm saying? My burger ain't really seasoned like that though. But it's cute. I will come back next time. Tomato, onion, mustard, mayo, sauce on the side, bacon, extra onion for real. You know, I like my burger to be stank because I want my breath to be stank when I eat the onions. Anyway, y'all, I'm running out of time. 4 out of 5 on the Jaggers, man. If y'all got them in y'all city, go try them out. Thank you for dining with me. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to your girl, Isha Levette. And I'll catch you again on another one.